Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Guess what? It's St. Paddy's Day time, so it's time to learn another fun recipe you could have this time of year. And guess what? This one uses tots. We're making Reuben Tots. Grab a baking dish. Let's start by making some tots according to directions. Nice and crispy. I'm putting half the tots on the bottom of that baking dish. I had cooked up some corned beef and saved some for this recipe. Of course, it's in my whipped topping container, as you do. I'm going to put half of that on top of those tots. I have a can of sauerkraut here. I'm going to put a half a cup of that sauerkraut on top next. I've shredded some Gruyère cheese. Half of that goes on next. Let's repeat. This will go in a 450-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and while that's cooking, I'm gonna make a sauce. Grab a bowl. We need half a cup of mayonnaise, tablespoon of ketchup, tablespoon of sriracha, quarter cup of relish, tablespoon of horseradish sauce, teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, quarter teaspoon of paprika. Let's give that a stir. Let's serve them. And let's add some sauce. Reuben Tots, or I guess these are Reuben Tachos. Let's try it. Yes. I think I'm loving every element in here. I love the crispiness of the tots. That sauce, wow, it's a good flavor. And that corned beef and that Gruyère cheese, even the sauerkraut makes this an amazing dish. I'm gonna give it an 8.8 out of 10. What do you call a frog that hops into a pot of gold? A leprechaun.